Hi friends, welcome to my channel Learner's World. In this video, we'll be looking upon subtotals in Excel. So let's see how can we do subtotal or how can we calculate subtotal in Excel. If you see on the screen, I have some data, that is date, product, region, name, unit, sales and expenses. Now I can get the subtotal based on anything, like I can get the subtotal based on product or based on region or based on name or based on units or based on sales or based on expenses. So now what I'll do is, for example, I'll take the name column and according to the name column I'll try to do the subtotal. That is, by using name I'll try to do the subtotal. Before doing the subtotal, you have to make sure your name column should be sorted either in ascending order or in descending order, and then go for the subtotal. So first I'll keep the cursor on the data, that is on my name column, as I want to calculate subtotal using name. After keeping the cursor, go to the home and then in home tab sort and filter. So I am sorting it according to Z to 8, that is according to descending order. So now it gets sorted. So this is the first step you have to do. And now the next step is how to do the subtotal. Go to the data tab by keeping the cursor on the data, and then if you see in data tab you can find subtotal option. Click on that. When you click on this, a subtotal dialog box will be opened. If you see in this, first one is at each change in. In this option, you have to select the column name which you have sorted. That is, which you want, by using what you want to do the subtotal. As I want to do the subtotal by using name, I am selecting name. Next, so what this exactly mean is, what is this each change in is, after each name change I want a subtotal. If you see in the table, here I have Thompson. After Thompson, after this name I want the subtotal. Again I have Kivil. After Kivil, again I want the subtotal. Jones. After Jones I need a subtotal. Again Jardine. After Jardine I need a subtotal. Again after Andrews I need a subtotal. So in this way, to get the subtotal after each name, you use this at each change in. Next one is use function. This means which function do you want, like sum, count, average, minimum, whatever you want, you can select according to your data. So here I am selecting sum. Next one is add subtotal to. So you can do subtotal to sales and expenses only because these are numbers. Remaining you can perform only the count function. Now I'll select the sales and also expenses also. After selecting sales and expenses, I'm clicking on OK. Now if you see, after each name I got a subtotal for the sales and expenses both. So in this way you can calculate the subtotal in Excel. Now I'll tell you one more important thing is, suppose you are the manager of sales department in a company. So the complete sales will be handled by you. So you want to see how the sales are going on, who are the salespersons, or what are the expenses they are doing. For that, if you see at the left hand side, you have got something here like minus and 1, 2, 3s. So when you click on 1, for example, when I click on this 1, you will get only the grand total and what are the sales and what are the expenses. That is, in short, you will get. When you click on 2, who are the salesperson, what are the sales they have done and what are their expenses. When you click on 3, the complete detailed information you will be getting. The date, the products which they have sold and which region they have sold, and what is the name, what are the units they have sold, and what are their sales and what are their expenses. In this way you will get the detailed information. And now the next thing is, now I don't want this subtotal. For that, go to the data and then subtotal option as usual. You will get the same dialog box. If you see at the bottom, you can find remove all option. When you click on that, the subtotal goes away. That is, the subtotal is removed and your data comes as usual. This is how you can add or remove the subtotal in Excel. For more videos of Excel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.